Oh, hey there. Didn't see you there. Okay. I don't know why you're in my basement, but I'm just working on, just finishing up my latest video for my YouTube channel. You've probably heard of it. A couple of Corsies.
Huh?
You never heard of my YouTube channel?
No.
I guess I could see that. I'm a smaller YouTube channel that hasn't really created a following yet. But what you could do is you could subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. That way I'll get searches in the algorithm. I'll get famous. I'll make millions. You know, all that kind of stuff. All right. Just subscribe. We'll be good. Thanks. What? You don't know how to subscribe to a YouTube channel in 2021? Where have you been? How do you find any of your fun things in life? How do you figure out how to change a tire? How do you figure out what the latest top Fortnite streamers are? All right. I will help you out. It's my service for the day. That's fine. First thing, we're in full screen. Move that mouse. Get out of full screen mode. Welcome to the YouTube page. You can see on the one side here, all your suggested videos. Most of them probably should be me. You should watch them all. Thank you very much in advance. On the bottom here, you see on the bottom here, there's that subscribe button. Not there. The button here. Click that button. You didn't click it. Click the button. That's how you subscribe. Thanks for doing it, and any small creator will appreciate you for it. Happy watching.